Yo, we are back. All right, it's always some sound problem, isn't there? Right, that should be better. Okay, let's get this sound connected. To be fair, I should always do this before, but I always end up doing this after. Yeah, that's better. All right, we got sound. We got sound. Let's go. Okay, come on, let's go. Let me just get the Liquidity live. I'm live. Okay. Here goes gold crown effect selling signals again. Go on, you carry on. You carry on selling signals. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay. All right, everything seems to be working okay. Sound check is done. Sound is working okay. Yeah, man, it's all ready. It's all ready. All right, I wasn't gonna come online, but I thought, you know what? Let's go online and let's see what's happening. Let's see if TikTok decides to. All right, so we've got some people that are not following us that are watching us. So if you ain't following us, just hit the follow button. We're usually on live 8:30 a.m. GMT to 9:30 a.m. GMT. But today, I just wanted to try something a little bit different. I just wanted to like check out the CPI news and trade with the CPI news and just see what is going on in the markets. So let's get some analysis done. So here we are on the 30-minute time frame. We were on a clear downtrend. This morning, the markets were moving so shitty. As you can see, this is the range of the London session. And all you've seen is just a chop. So let's see if any of our guys join us. Let's have a look if any of the guys from this morning join us, or have they all gone home for today? Let's have a look. But anyway, we'll get more guys joining us anyway, but I thought let's just see if any of the morning guys are going to join us, because we were on live 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. but we decided to come up because the markets were just like moving so shit. Oh, Moseyeds, thank you for following already. That's good. We've not even started yet. Thank you for following. Okay, so we were on a clear downtrend. As you can see, we have got a push up. We had a retracement. The retracement tried to break structure to the upside, but it couldn't break past these wicks, so we had another push down, breaking structure to the downside, changing the character. We had a retracement, which was around about here, but the retracement continued up higher. So obviously there was something here in the Asian session which made the markets, no, in the New York session, which made the Asian session markets push right back down. So then we had another retracement into this fair value gap area, which was respected. And then we broke structure to the downside pre-London session. And then London session, I was waiting for price to come into this area, or roughly round about here. We wanted to go into a premium area before we sold off again, but price just started chopping up around here. So price has been chopping up around here, and this is what it looks like so far. So far the market looks like it's doing this, but we're still chopping around in this range, maybe because it's CPI news today anyway, so it's going to be a shit day. But that's what it's looking like at the moment. So yeah, guys, normally we're on 8:30 a.m. GMT to 9:30 a.m. GMT. We normally stay on longer till about 11, 12 o'clock. But today we just jumped off the live. We thought, fuck it, it's moving shit. And we'll come on later on. So now here we are later on. And price is still moving like shit. But we'll carry on. We'll carry on this live and we'll see what happens. Okay, so Z Zoya, are you trading today or are you just chilling? Moza Yids, thank you for following earlier. But yeah, we're just in a chop at the moment. This is what price is doing at the moment, and now this candle has actually pushed back down again, leaving a wick around about here. So we're just chopping around in this area here. So this is what it looks like on the candles, but that's what it looks like. Breaking structure, changing character to the downside, changing character, breaking structure to the downside, retracing, breaking structure again, and now we're just chopping around in this area here. So this candle here now has gone like that, but it'll probably go up and down and up and down. But we're here. This is the 4-hour fair value gap, so it's probably balancing price out in this area. Not sure what it's actually trying to do right now. I don't know if we're retracing here, which is not even in a premium area, and we're pushing down, or we're reacting in this area here, which is this blue marked out area is a 4-hour fair value gap, and price is pushing up. So we don't actually know what it's actually doing. So yeah, we're just still waiting. So if anyone's new and you're looking to learn to trade, or you've been trading a while, just drop your comments in the comment section. Normally in the mornings we have loads of comments flying around. In the morning we have 8:30 a.m. GMT to 9:30 a.m. GMT. We have like experienced traders. We have traders that are making money. If you go back on our videos and have a look, you see traders actually hitting profit targets and doing all sorts. We have beginner traders asking loads of questions. So yeah, we have a lot going on in the morning. Still the morning right now, but it was CPI news day, so we closed our live early, but we thought we'd come back on live again and we see what's popping right now. And right now we have nothing going on really. It's just shitty. Just shitty. Anybody else trading CPI news today, guys? I've noticed there's a lot of traders that are not on. Or if they have been on and they have been watching, I've noticed a lot of traders have not been trading today. Is it being clever because they're CPI news and they don't want to trade? Or is it because they don't want to blow their accounts? Or is it because they've blowed their accounts this morning already? Is that why a lot of the guys are not on? Because this market chop, what's been happening this morning, would have fucked a lot of people up, and it would have blowed a lot of accounts. So guys, we've had 85 eyes on us in the past 10 minutes. So if anybody's not a follower yet, make sure you hit the follow button and subscribe to our channel. We're live every single day, normally 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. GMT, but we carry on longer depending on how many people we got online. Yes, is that Ali Bahai Cuts? Nice one. Thank you for following, Ali. Yeah, we're in a chop right now. So who's learning to trade? How many experienced traders have we got in the chat, and how many are actually learning to trade? Who's new to trading right now? EO in Govin, thank you for following. Yeah, man. Let's get a few followers in today. Right now is very choppy. Price is very choppy. So if you're trading, I don't think you should be trading unless you're a very experienced trader and you know what you're doing. If you're new to trading, you should not be trading right now. And if you're experienced and you know what's going on, then you're probably sitting on your hands waiting anyway for a nice setup. Because we got CPI news, price is going to be choppy. This was expected. But saying that, if you're scalping, there are some nice scalps you could have caught on the 1 minute. Ooh, on the 1 minute time frame. Especially if they were like support and resistance traders. But I'm not a support and resistance trader, so I avoid support and resistance. But that if you're an experienced trader, no doubt you should be just sitting on your hands right now. If you're just full porting and just gambling, you're probably trading and blowing your accounts already. Or if you're very lucky, you probably would have made some money. But saying that, sitting on your hands is the way forward right now. There should be no trades being taken right now, not in this chop, unless you're an experienced scalper and you're dropping right down to the seconds and the minutes time frame, and you're finding trades. There was one trade I'll share with you in a short while, in a couple of minutes. I'll share a trade with you which should have been taken today, which was the money move. But if you're scalping, you could have taken, and if you're scalping and you was just doing support and resistance and other confluences, you probably would have taken, let me just quickly show you. If you're scalping, you would have taken this trade here. Can you see that on the screen? Round about here. Let me see what you can see on the screen, 1 second. No, here. So you would have taken this trade here. No, that's a short, 1 second. We need a buy. Obviously, because scalpers, they just like want to be in and out of the markets quick. So they definitely would have taken this trade. So if you're watching on TikTok and you want to see the full screen, the bigger screen, you can jump onto YouTube, because I'm live on YouTube as well right now. And you can jump onto the bigger screen. But because we were on a clear downtrend, you shouldn't be looking for buys anyway. But if you're scalping, you would have taken this. You would have taken this buy here, like that, just a short one. And then you would have taken this one here. As soon as that candle wick got closed, you would have taken another buy here. So that's 2 buys on scalping that would have worked. But if you're a day trader, you probably would have just been sitting on your hands and not trading, because price is very choppy and it's just going out and stopping you. But the trade that you should have taken, guys, was this. So if I go back onto the 30-minute time frame, so on the London session, we had one of our guys that did take this trade. Let me just clear this out the way so you got no noise. All right. So as you can see, price clearly rejected from yesterday's New York session. There was some sort of point of interest here where price pushed down. So as you can see, there was a change of character around here. Price pushed up, clear break of structure to the downside, a retracement in the Asian session. So if you were trading Asian session, you would have went from this area here, this fair value gap, or this order block looking thing, and then you would have pushed down as it broke structure to the downside again, and then you had a slight retracement. But the retracement didn't go into a premium area. That's why I didn't take a sell today, but a lot of people took this sell here. So if now I drop down to the 1 minute time frame, I'm just going to squeeze this up so you can see this on the TikTok screen. So from the 30-minute time frame, you can see price pushed down and it rejected this area here. So once, twice, 3 times we had a clear push down, we had a retracement. It wasn't quite into a premium area where I wanted, but it was very close into a premium area. But you can see price rejected there again once, twice, 3 times. So had someone just taken a sell here, you had taken a short here like that, and then just to the bottom of these lows, not going past them because you didn't know what price is doing, because it was CPI and price was very choppy. You could have just got this trade here. If you tightened it up, you would have caught a 1, 2, 3, or even tighter, to be fair, just above this area. But because there was this fair value gap here on the 30-minute time frame, if you put it just above the fair value gap, you would have got a nice 1 to 3. So if you risked $300, you would have made $900. If you risked $1,000, you would have made $3,000. So that's how it works, risk to reward ratio. So guys, if you have any questions, just pop them in. Entra en mi perfil Quaquilia Duda Hablame. Did that sound right? I don't know if you're swearing at me or if you're saying anything to do with trading. Can we just copy and paste what you said into Google, and let's get it translated, because I don't know what you're saying. A+ long setup. Okay, we'll have a look in a second. 1 second. Ahmed, if you ain't following us, hit the follow button. We need to just get this here. A translation of what this guy said. This guy said, let's have a look. Google Translate, but we don't know what language it is. Hey, Pereira Oro Effects. Oh, 1 second, guys. I've got a phone call. If you just bear with me, I'll be right back. All right, guys, very sorry about that. I had a phone call and I got interrupted and I don't know what I was saying. Yeah, we were trying to translate this. Let's have a look. Piera Oro FX. Let's have a look. Paste into English. Oh, so is it Spanish? Enter my profile. Anyone in doubt, talk to me. All right, guys, enter his profile. Anyone in doubt, talk to him. If you can speak Spanish, that is. If you can't understand Spanish, then there's no point. All right, so where Ahmed, if you're still with us, yes, Ahmed, you're still with us. If you can just type out and let me know what the A plus long setup is, and then I'll try and share it on my screen right now. If you can just describe what you're looking at, and if you're on MNQ as well. I'll leave this here because this was one trade today. Yeah. Yes, Ahmed. So yeah, if you can just describe and let us know what your A plus long setup is. Yeah, we look into that right now. All right, guys, so we're currently on the MNQ Nasdaq. Anybody else trading Nasdaq with us, guys? Any Nasdaq traders? Or is everyone like just scared of the CPI news today and they don't want to take a setup right now? Or have the majority of us just blown our accounts? London session. I am going to take a big trade on this buy. Which buy are you looking at? What area here? So like if you give me a price on the right hand side for where you're looking for price to go into to take your buy, then I can try and figure out where you're looking to buy. You know one thing that I don't know how to do, guys? Yeah, so do you know what? I don't know what to do or don't know how to do. I don't know how to share my live out to all my followers. Maybe I should Google that shit. How do I share my live to my TikTok followers on TikTok Studio? I can explain if you want. It's about macro. Okay, yeah, if you can explain, that'd be wicked, Ahmed. Because there's many of us here that would probably like to know where you're going to take your buy from and why, what your reason is for you to take a buy here. It's not wrong taking a buy there. Because I know a few scalpers that have taken a buy here, and I'll give you the reason now. So what's happened is, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, this area marked out in blue, this was a 4-hour fair value gap. I'm in a long at 189. Fuck yeah. Let's have a look. I mean, I asked to come in live. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's weird. It's not letting this stupid thing do it for some reason. That's what I was trying to do. Share my live and let you come in live. But 1 second. Let me see if I can get you to come in live. If you just bear with me. Yes, Sammy. Yes, Ahmed. Yes. Fuck yeah. All right. So this is fair value gap here. And that fair value gap looks like it had been respected but not broken out. But now it's broken out of. I know many people that are dropped down into the 1 minute time frame. Look for a market structure shift, which you did get one straight after this rejection wick here. Push up, price retraced back down, and they've taken an entry here. I the 213. Many people have, and so many people took one here. Many people took one just here, just where this rejection wick is. But keen for full put on CPI, bro. I never full put anything. I never full put, no news, no nothing. Where's Ahmed? Ahmed, how can I get you on? See, this is so annoying me because I'm on my computer. Ahmed, if you know how you can join or tell me, then I can get you on. I'm in this trade since 8 a.m. UK time. Been in drawdown for the last 3 hours. Oh my God, Connor. Where are you? Where did you enter? What price did you enter at? If you just let me know the price down here, then we can talk about where you entered. Blackpie Sherpa, thank you for all the likes. You need to go to TikTok Studio. You will see the invitation, I think. Okay, so I'm on TikTok Studio, and I can see Connor. Thank you for following. So Connor, you were at 29232. 292. Oh, so you entered at 29232. So roughly round about this area somewhere. No. 29232. So you entered here. So did you enter along here? Oh my God. So you've been in drawdown since. But you're coming out of drawdown now, so it's okay. Prices tested your area just now. So let's see. Are you going to go back into drawdown? Yo, wow, you held through all. Look, even Sammy's saying you held through all that. Bro, how much are you even risking on that trade? Do you have something I can write in for you? That's crazy. 1 second, Ahmed. Connor, yeah, but way left on the chart. I'll send you a DM. Yeah, up $38. Haha, risking around $600 for that big massive move, to be fair, is not too bad, because my $600 is like just that much. But usually that's around $300 for me. But if I was scalping hard today, I would have been putting that much risk on $600. So wow. To be fair, you're day trading, innit? So now price is going to start pushing up into your favor, possibly, hopefully. Let's have a look for this invitation link. I'll send you that on Instagram if you want. Okay, 1 second.
Hello.
Hiya, you're right.
Yeah, I'm right. And you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Okay, so yeah.
Basically, I'm looking for a buy for the CPI and before, because I analyzed the macro and how to say, the Nasdaq has already dropped over 200 points from its weekly high.
Yeah.
So basically, when everyone is looking for a dump on CPI.
Yeah, everyone is.
The market is already priced the bad news.
Yeah, so everyone was looking for the dump on NFP on Friday as well, which never actually happened, did it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when the entire market is positioned for a hot CPI, that means the market is going to drop on, and having an wait, I'm looking for my words because I'm not English. So.
No, that's fine. You're explaining well, so it's pretty good anyway. Your English is fine, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you're looking at this weekly rejection here. So this is the weekly candle.
I'm not using analyzing the graphics. I'm only on macro because I work on that. So.
Okay, so what's trading on macros like?
Yeah, So basically, I'm going to look to the economic fundamental. Like the CPI is predicted to be about like 0.3. You know.
Okay.
And the HBS, like who share their analyze.
Okay.
I'm looking for a very bad CPI.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
It's going to impact the inflation.
Okay.
It's going to give the investor some point of view for interest rate, you know.
Okay.
And that's why if we had a bad CPI,
Yeah.
basically we're not going to lower the interest rate.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Kevin Warsh has a very hawkish how to say, very hawkish like interest decision. So he's not going to lower the interest. And basically
Okay.
he's going to maintain a lower price on Nasdaq.
Okay,
But
so
if
that's why
the
you're saying
CPI
that the market will dump.
Yeah, exactly. But
Okay.
if the CPI is like sharing better than it's expected, you know.
Yeah. So Ahmed, I trade like little bits of like bit of ICT, bit of SMC, but I follow market structure. I'm more of a technical analysis trader, right? You're saying you trade macro. How would you place a trade on macros? Would you still use TradingView or whatever platform you're using?
Actually, I'm just like looking to the how to say carnet d'ordre,
Order flow.
Yeah, not order flow, but order block, you know.
Okay.
But
Okay.
not the same order block on TradingView. It's like I'm just looking to the price where I'm positioned on.
Okay. So what's the system
loss.
called? What's the
Yeah.
system called that you use?
I don't think that it has a name. It's just like literally fundamental in macroeconomics looking. So I'm always trading before the news
Okay.
because I'm trying like to predict
Yeah.
and using like really I'm looking for global market, you know. I'm not just analyzing the Nasdaq. I'm looking to CPI, interest rate, decision, the last news, what Trump said. Looking also to oil.
Okay. So Ahmed, it's been nice catching up with you, but what I'll do is I'll drop you a message later on today, and at some point we'll have a catch up because I'm quite interested in the way you're trading and how you're trading. It would be nice to catch up with you and speak to you about that. But for now, I'm just gonna have to continue with my live. So is it okay? Is it okay for me to like jump off the call?
Of course. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna message you at some point later on today or this week, and we'll definitely catch up. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. No problem.
Thank you. Wow, that was Ahmed, guys. So that was different. He trades macros and fundamentals. That was totally different to the way I trade. I trade more technical analysis. Connor, I sent you a DM of my entry on TikTok DMs. Let's have a look. Sorry, Connor. Let's have a look where you are at. So guys, let's have a look at what Connor was sending. Don't you hate it when you have many accounts and... All right. Wow, we got so many people followed us. Okay, Connor, I've got your image here. Okay, so let's have a look at where Connor entered. Theodore, we are back. Interest rates, inflation data, jobs, data central bank speech. Okay, let's go. Theodore, how did you do earlier? I'm sure you put the trade on earlier, didn't you? You was in profits, or was that Marcidini or something like that? So the 5-minute chart. Okay, I see you had your entry. You had your stop loss there. Oh, damn. And you had your entry there and you risked $600. Connor is right now. Just come out of drawdown and you went into a little bit of drawdown again. Bro, I'm hoping price pumps up because I wouldn't want to be sitting in drawdown the whole of London morning of the London session. For F that, man. That's crazy, Connor. That's amazing though. All right, guys, we're getting too many messages. 1 second, let me pop off this. Let me go into that again. 1 second, guys. This is good. All right, let's go. Theodore, I do macro too, but a bit different. Okay, see, look, Ahmed, you got Usman Nabi. Thank you for following. Ahmed, you've got Theodore here. He does macro as well. Theodore, do you know, at some point I'm gonna drop you a message. I'm gonna drop Ahmed as well a message. I want to know what trading with macros is like. So Theodore, can you just explain to me? So like, if you're trading with macros, do you use a system like TradingView or Project X or something to enter your trades? Mustafa 25, thank you for following. Wow, we're getting a lot of followers. Yeah, man, we got 17 people watching us. We got 337 eyes on us, guys. If you ain't following us yet, make sure you hit the follow button because we talk all things trading. That's what we're about. We're about here making money, keeping your losses, cutting your losses, and letting your winners run. That's what we're talking about. We're not talking about just full pointing CPI and blowing accounts. We don't do that. Who? Thank you for following. Who? Thank you for following. I use specific hours. But yeah, Theodore, I just don't understand how do you place a trade on macros? Like, just say you wanted to enter right now at the price 29224. Where do you have a stop loss and a take profit? I'm not quite sure how it works with macros. I told you in the morning. Theodore, this is for everyone following. Everybody wants to know. So yeah, they're intrigued with you making your $2,000 profit. They want to know how you did it. Guys, we have Theodore here smashing profits every morning. So guys, look, we have different types of traders every day. When I told you about that 5 minute and the price, where to close and how. Okay. Yeah, that was this morning, but I'm just on about the guys now. If you could just message in, because I've got a few people here that are trading macros as well, but they're fundamental traders, you see. Are you a fundamental trader as well, Theodore? Bina Princess, thank you for following. Are you following? Yes, you're following. Keep following. Connor Gleck 881, thank you for following. Wow, so many people have started following. That's amazing. Oh, guy, let me just throw my plug-in in, guys. Ladies, lads and ladies, guys and girls and boys. Here, let me have a look. Boom. Here you go. If you're learning how to trade or you want to learn how to trade and you want to join on to my masterclass, make sure you're using the code FXTrader 2024. We've got a 20% discount from now until this weekend only. I've sent it on Insta, lol. Okay, cool. Are you on Instagram? Yeah. Did you manage to find me on Instagram? Yeah. Let's have a look. Oh yes, we've got something here. I've not got any message on Instagram. I've got one from one person. So you'll have to search for FXTrader 2024. Ahmed, I've sent it on Insta, lol. FXTrader 2024 isn't new. 1 second. Because you know what? You get a lot of fake accounts as well, and people doing some weird shit. So if you go over to my Instagram, because I've not been sharing this on Instagram, I've not got that many followers on Instagram on this account. So it's the one with only 72 followers. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. Oh, I need to be closer. Yeah, like that. So it's just the one with 72 followers. So if you just drop it on there, because I've not been using that account. Technical, but I don't know how to explain the macro I use. Don't worry, Theodore. I'm gonna Google it and I'm gonna figure it out as well, because then I can get into conversation with you guys. I'm gonna look into Ahmed's way of trading macros as well. Gleck 8881, are we selling or buying in New York? Going to be interesting in holding my sell since this morning. Okay, Gleck, where have you been holding your sell from? Because there is been rejection from, let me have a look. So around the 252, the 29250 area has been rejecting. We don't know if it's gonna reject for any longer, because we had a little change of character on the 1 minute time frame. But as you know, 1 minute is a lot of noise, so we look at the higher time frames. WA2, are you Indian? Yes, I'm Indian. Would you like me to teach you in an Indian language? Let me know. WA2, hit the follow button. Why are you not following? Asia since 29400. WA2, fuck that. I like it. Hoodie. Oh, well, let me move this out of the way. Hoodie Harrelson. Yeah, thank you for following. Hey, WA2, why are you saying fuck that, man? Motherfucker, this is about making money. It's not about religion and color, or if you're Indian or white or whatever you are. It doesn't really matter. Gleck, no, I'm British. I'm British born. I'm from here. I'm Indian. Not that any of that matters, guys. What matters is trading and how you're going to be making money. I combine macro bias with technical execution. Excellent. Macro bias with technical execution. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense to me. So you're using a bit of both worlds. Okay, so are we selling Asia since 29400? 29400. Let's have a look. 29400. God damn. You've been holding from where this purple line is. So now if I just bring up the 15-minute time frame, bro, you put that on in Asian session. Did you go sleep as well for a while, or have you just been watching the chart since? Bro, you made a lick. Look at that. Price dropped, retraced, price dropped, retraced, and price dropped, and now it's just consolidating. So for now, I can't give you any financial advice. I don't know if price is gonna go right back up, creating new highs. Most probably CPI will be dumping because everybody wanted NFP to dump, which it didn't, but CPI possibly can. But I'm not trading CPI news, and I wouldn't give you financial advice. What I would say to you, you can bring your stop loss into profits. So if price does go against you, you've made a big lot of profits. Love it. Doesn't matter. We are sell. People are equal. Yeah, we're not sell. we are all people and equal. Yes, I'm thinking about buy and sell at the same time. You see, I use a lot of stuff, but try to limit myself. Theodore, that's what happens. Yeah, the more you use, the more noisier the trading gets. Wow, we've got 14, back to 14 people now, and we've got 413 eyes on us. Guys, if you're not following, make sure you hit the follow button so you can trade with us live every single day. No, I am in Perth. I am lucky. Haha. Nice one. What's the weather like in Perth right now? I get all the price action. Yes, you do get all the price action. Ahmed, did you receive? Ahmed, let me have a look. Yes, Ahmed, I did. I did receive. I received a follow request from you. 1 second. And I've got a message request from you. Wow, guys. Okay, Ahmed, I'm going to look at this. I'm going to look at this a bit later on today. But guys, look. Ahmed has explained this to the T. Here's macro trading. Wow. Thank you for that information, Ahmed. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Is gold sell or buy? My Vig 1. 1 second. We will have a look. Hoodie Harrelson, share this live. Get this man numbers up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hoodie Harrelson. We need to get the numbers up. We need to get this party going, man. Do you know what it is? I think, do you know why it is as well? One second. Yeah, do you know what it is? Do you know why it is? You don't get a lot of people trading on live and chatting and speaking to the live guys that are following. You don't get many people chatting live face to face like this because they're just fucking chatting shit, selling fake signals. We put our trades on here all live. Either we hit our stop loss or we break even or we win. All our trades come on. And I've got some of them on my posts as well. So if you go back in our posts and have a look. Gleck, beautiful weather. We're getting colder days but beautiful evenings. Flies are starting to leave. Oh, thank God, the flies. I know what you're saying. Flies need to go. But yeah. So it's getting colder there. And hopefully we're here in the UK. And the UK slightly getting warmer. But we've had a few rainy days as well. I don't like it. I need hot weather right now. El Gato Hunter. Let's see. I made 20% profit last day on 10 USD. Now it's 12. Well done, El Gato Hunter. Yo, if El Gato gets his account to $100, I'm going to be so proud of you, man. I'm going to be happy. Because that shows you can do it. Because if you can do it with a small account like that and such discipline, well, I would have full ported fucking $10 ages ago. Theodore, I wanted to do CPI today too. Theodore, why don't you go for it? Or is your $2,000 enough? Is your $2,000 profit enough? Or do you want to risk it? But I left my account over 50k from drawdown. Okay. But I left my account over 50k from drawdown. Okay, wow. Theodore smashing it. Any prop firm traders here watching us live right now? Oh yeah, my Vig. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I wasn't ignoring you. I just forgot. Too many messages were coming in. Okay, I can. If we do some sort of technical analysis quickly for you, let's have a look. You are actually coming into this fair value gap. But remember, my Vig 1. Remember, it is CPI news trading day today. So even if this fair value gets respected a few times and price does start pushing up, that's not to say that price ain't gonna come back and blow people out in CPI once the news takes effect. Sometimes the news candles don't even move much, but sometimes, bro, they can come and smash you out. But the way price is going, you're on a clear downtrend. Slight retracement. We've not even had a retracement into a premium area and price has carried on dumping. So it looks like if you don't have a reversal, it looks like price will come in to a premium area and then it will be a sell-off. But then again, because the premium area is so high, you can make profits from a buy as well, but you need to make sure to use your stop loss and make sure you've got your profit target in the right direction, because price will come back and it'll fuck you up. So yeah, be very careful. But right now I wouldn't sell or buy because I just don't know what price is doing. But if price respects this fair value gap or that order block just underneath it, which is not even really an order block, price may continue pushing back up. Because now if you look at market structure as a whole, we had this massive push up. We had a slight retracement that didn't even go below into a discounted area. Price continued pushing up. This possibly could be a retracement right now. And then price pushes back up. So you could possibly buy, but I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you about technical analysis. But then again, CPI, anything can happen. Theodore, I would have risked it if I went bad day. Yeah, if you had a bad day, you could have risked it, but making $2,000 on a CPI day, that's absolutely brilliant. That's in the earlier sessions as well. Ahmed, I'm trading with Lucid and Funded Next. Okay, absolutely brilliant. Lucid accounts you can pass in one day, right? Funded Next, I've tried their CFDs, I've not tried their futures. Are you trading CFDs or futures with Funded Next? Hoodie Harrelson, pull a GAN box on that. Okay, put a GAN box on. Are you talking about from the bottom, from the swing low to the swing high? The VWAP trader, how you doing, VWAP trader? Look, we saved that just for you. And this Theodore is a VWAP trader. We came on this morning, price was moving absolutely shit. So what we did was we just came off and we came back on again. Theodore of $1,500 profit. Yeah, man. So what you looking to do, Theodore? You looking to secure your profits today and not trade for the rest of the day? Or if you see a setup, you're going to actually go in? Or are you going to go off that CPI news like with the macros and the technicals? The VWAP trader, I'm good. I have $5,000 account. Please help me, bro. My Vig, is your $5,000 account your personal money, or are you trading a prop firm? Yeah, VWAP trader, CPI news is today. So if you're 1 hour ahead of me, CPI news is, well, from my time, CPI news is in the next hour and 20 minutes or something like that, hour and a half, I don't know, 2 hours, I don't know. Yeah, it's 2:30. Oh, 2:30 here. Yeah, so 1:30 p.m. here. So 1:30 p.m. GMT, we're gonna have news event CPI, and you're just 1 hour ahead of me. So yeah, 2:30 p.m. So your London, so VWAP trader, your London session opening is at 3:30 p.m. wherever you are. Because for me, it's 2:30 p.m. So yeah, it'll definitely have to be 3:30 p.m. So my Vig, right now you're trading gold. So look, it's come back into your fair value gap and respected it. So now it's up to you if you want to drop down to the lower time frames and find an entry. What I would do is I would wait for the next 3 or 4 candles, wait for a slight retracement on them 3 or 4 candles, and then take a buy, depending on what price is showing you. Yeah, you don't want to just enter there straight away because you don't know if price is just going to go back against you and blow you out. MNQ, let's have a look what's happening. Bro, Connor, where is Connor? Connor, I feel sorry for you, man. You waited all of London session for price to bring you back out of drawdown. And you came back into drawdown with $60 profit, and now you've gone back into drawdown, and it looks like you're around about minus $400 right now, or minus $300. So another $300, your account's gonna Gonna be blown. I'd hate to sit in that much drawdown. I hate to sit in drawdown like that. Guys, anybody trading with us right now? Who's trading live right now? Oh wow, we got 31 people joining us. 31 people on TikTok joining us live right now. V-shaped recovery first. Enter from bullish fair value gap when you trading a reversal model. Okay, I see what you're saying, Glenn. Gleck, sorry, Gleck 8881. Family. Where's that gone? Family Furniture, thank you for following us. Let me bring this screen down lower a bit here. Buy now, bro. Bro, you just told me you got a $5,000 account and you're asking for me for help and you're telling me to buy. Bro, I can't buy right now because I'm not trading the CPI news. I'm sticking to my game plan. I don't trade CPI days. Though I missed this trade here, and if I had taken that, that would have been lovely. But that was the trade for me today. Vij, sorry, I'm asking, sorry. No, Vij, let me go on to gold. Let me just tell you. If you want, yeah, there was your retracement. Look, so price pushed out, and then the next few candles I said, look, it's come back into this fair value gap and pushed up. So you possibly can be pushing up. When CPI, you can Google it, it'll tell you when it's for your country. Which country are you in? The Barber. Theodore, less than 2 hours. If you want to be precise, just Google it, man. UK, okay, yeah. So it's in, is that 1:30 p.m. UK time? Blessings, thank you very much. Theodore, how are you a trader and don't check factory? Theodore's getting vexed. Theodore likes technical analysis, he likes macros, and he likes fundamentals, guys. Remember that. If you ain't trading fundamentals and you know there's a CPI news event, even if you're a technical analysis trader, see the Bob. Yeah, even if you're a, thank you very much. Even if you're a technical analysis trader and you know there's a CPI news event and you don't know there's a CPI news event, that's very concerning. Can I buy now, bro? Bro, I don't sell signals. I'm just doing technical analysis. This is what you possibly can look at. Let me just tell you. If you was going long, sorry. Long position. Just below that low, so you're not losing as much money. And then try and push that up. But clearly, you're pushing down massively. So there can be a retracement in this area. And price can continue pushing down. So if you're looking to buy right now, it's quite dangerous. But you have been you have respected this blue area here, which is the let me have a look, fair value gap. But let me see which time frame it was. I don't remember. Yeah, which is a 30-minute fair value gap, which has been respected. So you can take a buy, but you need to just use a bit of technical analysis when you're buying. Guys, we have 28 people now. We had 31 just a minute ago, and we got 562 eyes on us. Guys, 562 eyes on us. If you ain't following, you need to hit the follow button right now. And you can trade live with us every single day. Oh, thank you for following. Thank you for following. I don't know how to say that name because it looks like it's in Chinese. Whoever followed me and it looked like Chinese writing or Thai writing, or I don't know what writing that is, just drop me a message in the comment section. Are you a trader and don't check factory? There you go. Gasket 2222. Thank you for following. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Hey guys, look, this is what you need to be doing, honestly. Either you check Forex Factory Oh, you're from Israel. Thank you very much for following. Okay, guys, this is what you need to be doing. Either you're going on forexfactory.com, yeah, and you're checking out your news events. But I don't use Forex Factory, guys. I use and look, clearly on Forex Factory it says 1:30 p.m. CPI news event. Tomorrow you got PPI, so you need to check that as well, producer price index. But on the I use fxstreet.com, and it's exactly the same. So that tells you your yellow folder, your orange folder, your red folder. This fxstreet.com, it just shows you like a little bit bigger, so it's good for your eyes if you need glasses. So this tells you as well the news events. So look, we had 7 a.m. red folder, we had 10:30 a.m. we had red folder. This is UK GMT time, by the way. And now 1:30 p.m. GMT, you've got red folder CPI news events. So make sure, guys, if you're trading, just make sure you're always checking fundamentals. Trading is not just about technical analysis. Trading is about checking fundamentals as well, guys. So make sure you're always checking your fundamentals. But yeah, for me, it's like a no trading. This is a 4-hour fair value gap where we're bouncing in at the moment. Connor, I hope price pushes back up from this area so you come out of drawdown. Gleck 8881, thank you for the heart. Good luck, everyone. I'm off. See you tomorrow. Gleck, I see you later. Happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, let me just check. Is the music on or not on? Why is the battery dead on that? Right, guys, let's see. Yeah, the music is still on. The relaxing music is still on. Theodore, let's see how it's gonna be after the New York volume. Yeah, that's right. Let's see. For Connor, who's unfortunately in drawdown at the moment, I hope price pushes out of this rejection zone here so it can clear you out of your drawdown. El Gato Hunter, thank you for the 705 likes. Wow, you guys are amazing. Thank you for joining us as well. So anyway, out of everybody that's sitting here watching us right now and the 609 eyes on us, if you ain't followed, hit the follow button. But everybody who's watching us right now, why don't you guys drop a message in the comment section. I ate Wi-Fi. Oh, you shouldn't eat Wi-Fi. Thank you for following. I have a feeling you're gonna have that needed retracement today. Yeah, that's right. Angel 4H4, thank you for following us. Thank you for following. So who's trading with us right now? Who's waiting for a trade? Who's waiting for a setup? Connor, so close to stop loss. Bro, Connor, I've just messaged in. I've just commented so many times. I don't know if are you watching live with us right now? But I was just saying, I hope your price retraces and pushes up from here, because you are very close. I don't know how you've just had patience and your emotions in control. I just came back. It came back in, bro. Yeah, I mentioned a couple of times. I was like, Connor's going to be going back into drawdown. Santos Drink Check UK started following you. Thank you so much. My stop's at 291.72. Oh god damn, you're very close. Have a look. 29172. Santa's Drink UK, thank you for following. Thank you. Check this out. Yeah, man, let's get this party going. Okay, 29172. Let's have a look. Bloody hell. So you're here. So roughly around that midpoint. Exactly there. So you're there. Your stop loss is there. Oh, that's tight. That's tight. Especially with what the candles are doing now. And especially with this fair value gap left down here. Price can retrace into that, which it hasn't really, but rejected from same area and pushing down. Woo! But you might get saved. You might get saved by this area here. If price goes below that, it's looking difficult, but bro, it's very close. Connor already accepted my loss if it happens. Aha, I've waited this long now. Bro, do you know? Yeah, you held it a very long time. But the thing is, if that was me and I knew price was moving like that and it brought me out of drawdown, I would have just took the trade out of drawdown, man, because they would have fucked my psychology up. Good test on momentum. Oh yeah, of course it is. Of course it is. You held the trade, but they always say don't close the trade too early, or don't close the trade when you're in just a little bit of profit. You can let the trade play out, but sometimes it's just managing that trade, isn't it? Because price could have easily went into your favor and kept pushing up. But even now, look, is rejected once, rejected twice. Price is coming here. It might reject again and continue pushing up. So you don't know. Hi, Johnny Will Do. Hi, how you doing, Johnny Will Do? Are you trading with us right now? Who's trading MNQ right now? Drop us the message in the comment section. That would be great. I'm still long for the last 2 hours. Wow. Hey, where did you enter your trade? If you can just give me the price so I know exactly where you entered, because if you've been holding that for the last 2 hours, was you sitting in drawdown as well with Connor? Or, oh damn, 18575. Bro, so wait, 18. So you entered here. Ooh, okay. But you're still all right though. You're like pretty much. Connor said, "Hey, welcome to the club." 18575. But Connor, you're where's your stop loss? I'm not Connor. Hey, where is your stop loss right now? This is mad. MyVidge1, thank you for the 300 likes. Shall we see where your gold is right now? There you go. So had you bought here in that fair value gap retracement where you were saying buy, you should be in slight profits by now, but very choppy and price is moving shit, so that can easily come right back down again. But it depends. CPI might just fool everyone and push up today. I'm telling you, it's very price is moving weird. There you go, from that 30-minute time frame. There you go. Look at that. So it is kind of respecting that fair value gap, and that's a 30-minute fair value gap. But is price going to continue down? We don't know. All right. A came close earlier, then pushed off. Okay. A, where is your stop loss? What price is your stop loss at? Connor. A is saying to Connor, nice bro, I've got faith in this. Bro, if you lot pull this off, hats off to you guys. Hats off to your patience. Because I am saying, and I have been saying, even while Connor wasn't here, price came roughly right about down to here, and I was like, I hope price pushes back up and pulls you out of drawdown. So price is rejecting this area, and there is a massive chance that you might be saved and price might push up. But danger zone I call it. 17350. Okay. Let me just drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Wow, hey, thank you for following. Thank you for following, A. So look, 173. Roughly around about there. So 17375. So that's 17350. Liquidity, bro, possibly fly high bias. Yeah, there has been some sort of retracement. There's been rejection in this 4 hour time frame, so price can possibly go up, but right now I'm not quite sure because I can't actually see what price is trying to do. Stop 17350. So yeah, your stop's at 17350. Okay. Liquidity, okay, bro. Liquidity, thank you for following. Look, man. Hey, Connor, where are you targeting? London High. Look. The only thing is, we're not getting absolute beautiful candles, are we? So A and Connor, this is your danger zone right now. I'm telling you. That's danger for you right now. If you break above that, if you break above this, if you break above 29226, you can see, but right now, this bastard fair value gap is a danger zone for you right now. At Connor and A are having a conversation in the comments. Excellent, guys. Keep it going. This is like a battle of the buy and sell. Pereira Euro FX. We did translate that. That was him saying if you're having any issues, you can contact him. But if you can speak Spanish, contact him, chat to him. He might be able to help you out. Look, guys. Look. It might just inverse your fair value gap. Oh shit. You don't know. It might just blow past it. How long have we got? You got 30 seconds for that 1 minute candle to close. Looks strong. Never mind. Oof, rip. Connor. It all depends on how this candle closes. Fuck me. That's horrible, isn't it? But now, saying that, you've had, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections in that area. Saying that, price can... Oh, fuck. This is very close for you, mate. Saying that, you can still get a rejection. If you can still get a rejection. MRPM. Gonna options trade today, 9:30 New York Open. What we be looking at today, just verifying my own thoughts. Guys, we're getting a rejection from this 4 hour zone. All depends what's happening here. Then you can see if price is breaking structure to the downside or if it's going to continue up. Hey, damn. Hey, you've been stopped out. No. 17075. That's where you're at, ain't you? Ooh, I did tell you that bastard fair value gap was going to be a bitch. Hey, definitely bullish structure from the look of it. Connor, cooked. Connor, has it hit your stop loss? So close again. No, stop loss at 17325. Wicked. Let's have a look. You're here. Very close. Very close. Very close. All depends on what these candles close like. These 1 minute candles. I'm at 172.8, so basically the same. Okay, you two got your stop loss in pretty much same area. All depends on this area here. All right, guys, we've got 25 people watching us. Imagine that. Anybody scalping that took this trade here, you would have hit some good profits. Let me show you how. Imagine short position as we were currently in a downtrend anyway. From the 50% zone of this area, as soon as price started rejecting, you could have taken an entry. You could have kept it above the highs, or you could have kept it just above that fair value gap. And you could have had a 1 to 4. I know it's tight, but if you risk $300 there, so actually let's do it above the highs. Let's do it roughly around about here. So if you risk $300 there on a scalp, so not day trading, so if you were just scalping and you just looking to stay in a trade for between few seconds to a few minutes, then it could have just been counted as a scalp. Intraday, few minutes to a few hours, or half a day, a whole day, or close before the end of the day. But if you were looking for a 1 to 3 here, you could have risked $300, made $900, and been out of the day before the CPI news. So I don't give financial advice, but I do point out points of interest. Front end, thanks for the flame heart. Thank you very much. Full put, Connor, full put CPI. Is that what you're looking to do now? Has it hit your stop loss? $17,375 stop loss was hit. Munir, which pair? We're on Nasdaq, Munir. Munir, we're on Nasdaq. Connor, full port CPI. Connor, are you really looking to full port CPI today? Okay, the fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame has been inversed. Let's have a look if it's all been inversed. Okay, the whole thing's not been inversed, so we're still in that 4-hour fair value gap. But it's come and fucked up a few people. So guys, if you're looking at CPI possibly can be dumping today. But you need to be very careful, because you don't want it to be a retracement now and then it's just going to go all-time highs. Mr. PM, I started options trading with like 400 and grew it to 1,900 yesterday, made 700, starting small. Well done, Mr. PM, well done. My Vidge, do you do gold, bro? Yeah, I trade everything. I trade forex pairs as well. I traded Nasdaq, I trade futures, I look at commodities. Bro, I look at so Annular 555. Thank you for following. Thanks so much. Yeah, so these are my favorite pairs that I look at. Forex, USD, JPY. Futures or CFDs can be Nasdaq, NAS 100, German 40, Nasdaq on CFDs, then futures, MNQ, gold, S&P 500, futures, gold, and oil. So they're the favorites that I look at. GBP USD sometimes, Euro USD sometimes, but not always. USD JPY mainly, and then MNQ and gold and German 40. They're the main ones, guys. Mr. PM, appreciate it. Yeah, well done, man. If you go over onto this 1 minute time frame. Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My wife has bought me my detox smoothie. Guys, this is a metal detox smoothie. Price is coming into a 1 minute fair value gap. Possibly can dump, but also price can come into this area here dump from there as well. If it breaks past these areas, if it breaks past them areas, then you're looking for, then you can maybe start looking for buys. But the higher time frame is bearish, so always trade with the trend. The trend is the king. Anyway, I was telling you, this is a metal detox smoothie. This has all sorts of stuff in it. It's got like 2 orange juices. Atif Chowdhury, thank you. It's got spirulina powder. It's got Atlantic dulse. It's got wild blueberry powder. It's got 2 bananas. It's got 2 oranges. It's got coconut water. Oh man, it's got barley green grass. It's got other greens, and it's got so many. But it's by the Medical Medium. So if you guys have read up or on Instagram looked into Medical Medium, he helps with all sorts of autoimmune diseases and everything. I drink this because I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis a couple of years ago. So yeah, I have this metal detox smoothie, and yes guys, the metal detox smoothie does help, but you need to have it all the time. You can't just drink it once and think it helps. I've been drinking it for like nearly a year now, and it does help with energy levels. As you can see, my energy levels are quite high. Joshy boy, I'm in a buy that just tapped me and take profit at London High. Wait, we're not even gone to London Highs yet, which is also 2.5 on fib. Okay. Let's see how fast I can drink this, guys. Start the timer from now. Joshy boy, thank you for following. Downed it like a pint. Oh my god. You saying sells? No, I'm not saying sells. I'm saying we are bearish at the moment, so I would have been looking for sells. Georgia Efani, thank you for following. Yeah, so I would have been looking for sells unless these areas get broken, because let me just tell you, it's all about market structure, technical analysis, and fundamentals. George Vargas, thank you for following. Guys. George Epifani, buying or selling, I'm not sure at the moment. Here you go, look at that. Area's just been broken, so you need a break and close. Or is price gonna go into these like fair value gaps on the 1 minute time frame and keep dumping? Right now, not a lot of things are being respected because of the CPI news, so price is manipulating. As you can see, price is still, it's mad. Price is moving mad. But we did say this area here. Let me just draw it back in again. So look, price has broke above it, obviously stopping people out, but it's come back into that fair value gap, and we don't know, is it going to continue pushing down? I don't know. That's why I'm not entering in any trades at the moment. But the best trade was from here. So that's one trade that I didn't trade on, but I did call it out, was this one. That would have been, oh, where is it? That would have been a nice 1 to 3 trade. That could have pushed it to a 1 to 4, but yeah, 1 to 3 would have done nicely on that one. And an absolute beauty of a trade was this one here. We were on a downtrend, price retraced and pushed back down. I'll check gold for you, my vid, in a second. Joshy boy, my take profit 5168. So you're looking, hey, where are you looking? 5168 is very high, because London session highs are here. Which London session are you looking at? Yesterday's. I was gonna take that sell down to my entry, but I was too late. I just waited it out. Yeah, that's what I do sometimes. I just wait my sells out. So guys, we have a lot of guys trading with us. So this morning, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. we usually are on live, but we normally end up staying on longer anyway. But because of CPI, I thought, let me jump back on again. Let me see what's happening. We always have experienced traders. We have new traders. We have traders that I don't know what the hell's going on. Or we have traders that know what's going on, but are not profitable at the moment. We have prop firm traders. We have personal counter traders. And let me get this glass out of the way because it's just making me blurry. Yeah, blurry thing. So anyway, what I was saying, we have experienced traders trade with us. We have new traders. We have beginner traders. We have learner traders. We have traders that don't know what they're doing. We have traders that are not yet profitable but know exactly what's going on. We have traders that are just know what they're doing but they can't control their psychology, so they keep blowing their accounts. So yeah, we have traders at all different stages. So yeah, so what they do is they trade. Experienced traders trade along with us. Experienced traders put in their trades on the chat and let us know what's happening throughout the day with their trades. We have beginner traders just following trading with us. We don't sell signals, but they'll know when to enter by looking at what we're doing. Yeah, so if you want, guys, you can trade along with us and just join, follow. It's free. Everything's free, guys, unless you want to get onto the masterclass and all that's charged. But TikTok, I'm giving my time for free to everyone. This is just like giving back. Because we're trading, I only take on traders for my masterclass who have gone out and got the free information on YouTube first. Guys, we have 20 people watching us live right now. We've got 975 eyes on us that have not yet followed us. And guys, I just want to let all you know, how much is the masterclass? My masterclass is lifetime access, and it's roughly around about $900 with the FX Trader 2024. LT Batty, thank you for following us. You're gonna have to go on the website and have a look. I put in the 20% discount code, and then you can join the masterclass. It's lifetime access with all the updates, lifetime as well. But what I was saying now, what was I saying, guys, before I mentioned that? So yeah, I was saying it's all free if you want to trade along with us and join us on TikTok. So yeah, I was saying, oh yes, guys, I was saying we got 17 people watching us live right now. We've got 900. Jack, thank you for following. We've got 986 eyes on us. Guys, if you ain't followed us, make sure you follow us. Hit the follow button. We trade live. Betty GB, thank you very much. Just guys, hit the follow button. We chat to every single person on our live. So if you're a beginner trader, an experienced trader, experienced traders will just help the traders with no confidence. They're always messaging in the comments. They're always saying, hey guys, have you checked the news? Hey guys, why are you entering at this level? Have you analyzed why you're entering at that level? If you lose a trade, why have you lost that trade? Go back and do your analysis. Don't just jump back into the trade straight away again and oversize, over leverage and blow your accounts. Just analyze why you went wrong. So yeah, guys, what I was saying, 17 of you that are watching us right now and the over 1,000 eyes we've had on us right now. If you ain't followed, follow us. But what I was saying is, in the next couple of days, we're going to have our website fully up and running. I have a masterclass which is charged for right now, but I am going to be having Jay, thank you for following us. So in the website in the next week, I think next week it will be live. We're going to have structured masterclasses. So if you go on YouTube and you go on ICT, SMC, order flow, market structure, any type of trading styles, you have to jump around and you can't actually find a structure of how to trade or where to learn how to trade, because you're always looking at videos and you're jumping from video to video and you don't know what you're doing. So I'm gonna structure ICT videos in ICT order, so you know exactly which videos to watch and the process to go through. I'll do the same with ASMC. I'm going to do the same with market structure. We're going to look into order flow, and we're going to put all that. So I'm going to have everything for free if you want to learn how to trade on my website. But I know what happens with trading is once you've learned all the information for free, you will need some sort of mentor or masterclass just to level you up and get you onto being profitable, or getting you leveled up on how to execute trades. And that's when you can join with my masterclass. But before that, you need, if you're learning to trade, you need to get as much free information as you can, because all the information is on YouTube for free. So that's why I don't like to fool people and say just jump on my masterclass and buy it. No, you don't need to buy my masterclass if you don't know how to trade. You need to go onto YouTube and find these videos, which will be on the website soon, and learn for free. Everything is on YouTube for free. You just got to put your time and effort in. And then to level you up, you can join my masterclass once you know how to trade, or once you know what you're doing on the charts. My Vij, come on, let's go back to your gold and have a look. Look at that, Vij. So price pushed up. Let me see where your stop loss would have been, or should have been. My Vij 1, your stop loss should have been here when you entered that trade. That's a buy. What am I doing? No, that's a sell. I need to look at a long position. So your stop loss should have been round about here, just under them lows, and you could have targeted up. So that would have been a 1 to 2 trade. Nicely, nice and easy. If price keeps pushing up, you could have trailed your stop loss and carried on with it, as you would have got scared because price came back down here. But look, as you can see, it just retraced from here and just continued pushing back up. So yeah, my Vij 1, that's how you should have taken that trade, and that would have been a nice 1 to 2. So if you risked $200, you would have made 4. If you risked $300, you would have made 6. If you risked $1,000, you would have made $2,000. That's how you try to take that trade. But that comes down to scalping as well. Like, could be intraday trading because you're holding it longer than a few minutes. Could be intraday trading, but it could also be scalping as well. I would put it under intraday trading. Intraday trading. Go back onto the MNQ. So here you go again, guys. Look. So I said if this area had been respected, then that's when you can take the sell. So now you can see there was this order block type thing, which I don't trade order blocks on 1 minute, but sometimes they work. But it came into a, let me just show you. So price came into a premium zone, which was in 61.8. We were on a downtrend anyway, so you shouldn't be looking for buys, you should be looking for sells. So you could have went from this fair value gap, or you could have went from this 50% zone. But if you went from this 50% zone, you would have waited for this candle to wick back into this area before you took a trade like this, hitting a 1 to 2.5 or 2.6. Or you could have waited for price to come into this fair value gap. That fair value gap, and push the price down like that. So that would have been a 1 to almost 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 3.9, 1 to 4, depending on how tight you wanted this stop loss to be. So yeah, there's two ways you could have entered that trade. Guys, there's always multiple ways of entering into a trade. There's not just one way. Okay, if price comes into this area, we're going to tap ourselves in. No, sometimes you have to wait to see what price does in that area before you can tap yourself in. So yeah, there's always different ways of getting into trades. There's not always one way. And right now we're just waiting to see what price does. But guys, we've got 24 of you online at the moment. If you could just let me know, out of all of you 22 to 24 guys that are watching right now, or 20 of you watching right now, and the 1,129 eyes we've had on us, hit the follow button. TPZ, thank you for following. Yeah, so with the 101,133 people now, make sure you hit the follow button. You need to be following. And also, the guys that are watching us right now, whoever's watching us right now, if you could just put in the comment section, if you're a beginner trader or an experienced trader, and if you're trading NASDAQ right now. And if you just bear with me. Sam, thank you for following. 1 second, I've just got the door. Yeah. So guys, remember, 52 minutes, we've got the CPI news event. So yeah, the 30 of you watching right now, if you guys can just tell us how many of you are actually trading. And if you're trading, what pair are you trading? Pair meaning instrument, meaning symbol. Are you trading NASDAQ? Are you trading Forex? Are you trading futures? Are you trading commodities? Are you trading S&P 500? Are you trading oil? Are you trading gold? What are you guys trading right now? Or are you guys waiting for a trade in the CPI news? Wow, how many likes have we got? 40,000 likes. What the bloody hell? Gasket, beginner and want to learn. Been trading everything. Gasket 222. I don't know if you heard. Next week, I'm going to be putting out all the videos that are on YouTube that are helpful and are in a structured order. Tanvi 2009, thank you for following. Are in a structured order to help traders learn for free. Once you've learned for free and you don't know how to execute trades and you're still not profitable and you keep blowing accounts, that's when you could go on to my masterclass. So Gasket, if you want to learn for free, just put number 1 in the chat, because it's going to be free. It's not going to be charged. Traded oil overnight. Let's have a look. TPZ, if you can just tell me, were you shorts on oil or were you buying? Because oil's been moving all right, man. Oil's been moving good on the while the news has been going as well. MyVig1, Gasket number 1. Okay, so make sure you guys are following. Just drop me a message on, just drop me a DM, and as soon as my website's live, I'll send you guys the link. TPZ buy-in, okay. Wow. So traded oil overnight. So you traded oil an Asian session. If you're saying overnight, are you from the UK? Oh, wicked. So you did Asian session as well. Where did you what price did you buy oil at? You can just look at the price here on the right hand side. You can just tell me what price you bought oil at. $9,980. Oh my god, let's have a look, guys. If you traded oil overnight and you were buying, what price did you buy the oil at? Yeah, 9,918. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say I was at 9,980. We've been there already. So you was holding from roughly about here. Exactly there. So that's end of Asian session. So pre-London session. So you've held that all the way since pre-London session. God damn, how much money have you made on that trade? Bloody hell, that's crazy. That was a big move on oil, you know, massive. I should have looked at oil today. I've not looked at oil now all day since you mentioned it. 9k, it's not real money though, bro. It's one of them demos I'm trying to get into. Bro, that's fine. That's fine. At least you know if you're doing that on demo, and if you're consistently doing it on demo for a while, if you're consistent on demo, profitable for 3 months, I think you're ready for the live markets. How long have you been doing it? I got 40k from the demo and made 8k since yesterday. Started yesterday. Wow. You just started trading yesterday? You know what you're doing? You're oversizing, over leveraging, I think, and then it's good at first when you're on a demo account with a lot of money to trade from, but then when you put it back into reality and real money and stuff, you won't be trading the same as you're trading on the demo account, because you'll end up blowing accounts. So if you're learning, next week I'll have some courses on my website. I'll have some free material for you guys. So if you just hit the follow button, I think you already have, to drop me a DM, I'll send you my link for some free material. Any of you guys watching, just DM me and I'll send you a material to learn for free next week. Just DM me and I can send you the link for my website next week. Just trying to build a community right now, because where traders can feel comfortable and confident to just speak out if they're learning, because I know when you're learning, it's very difficult for traders to speak out and say and ask questions, because they feel as if they ask a question they look stupid. But that's not the case here. You can ask whatever you want, guys. It's not a problem. So that's 3 trades today, guys. 3 trades. That was this one, which was 1 trade. Then I've called out this trade as well. Fucking hell, that would have been a 1-4 trade. This one would have been a nice... Oh my god, how... No, because that one was there to roughly about there. Both 1-4 trades they would have been. Absolutely crazy. Both 1-4 trades. And the third trade, which was the first trade, was this one. As you've noticed, they were all sells because we were on a downtrend. We don't trade against the trend. We trade with the trend. The trend is the king, guys. That's why we were on a clear downtrend. We make money when the market goes up. We also make money when the market goes down. For support and resistance traders, you make market when the market is chopping as well. But I don't trade support and resistance. But look, the market dumped here. These were profits. Yeah, I missed this trade, so don't get me wrong, I didn't take it. I've not traded anything today because I'm on this CPI news. I just can't be asked. I've called the trades out before the trades have come in though. As if you were watching, you would have noticed. I did mention these areas. This would have been another trade, 1, 2, 4. So risking $300, you would have made $1,200 there. You risked another $300 here, you would have made another $1,200 here. If you risked $300 here, that is a 1-3 or a 1-4. You could have made it a 1-4 easily. You could have made another roughly another $1,200 there, or 900, depending on how much you risked. But yeah, that was 3 trades, 3 killer trades. So we make money when market goes down. We make money when the market goes up. You just got to know where to enter and how to enter. And your execution of your entry has to be perfect. So guys, if you're learning to trade, make sure you think of your trading as a sport. Because when football players take penalties, they don't just ace the penalty in their one go, they practice it. They practice every single day. When basketball, when they take their shots, they practice them every single day. Day in, day out, minute after minute, hour after hour, they're on the pitch. They practice. And trading is exact same thing. We have to take our shot. So you got to make sure your entry and execution has to be perfect. So that's why you have to practice your shot over and over and over and over and over and over again. And that's why they say win rate. Do you know your win rate? So why do they ask that? They say out of 10 trades, how many trades are you losing and how many are you winning? So you can be a profitable trader if you take 10 trades and you win 10 trades and you lose 10 trades. Why? Because your winners, you cut them short, and your losers, you cut them short, and your winners, you let them run. So if you take 10 trades and you risk $200 per trade, so you take 5 trades, you lost 5 trades, that's $1,000 you've lost because you risk $200 per trade. But on your winner trades, you let the winners run. You took out $500 per trade. So the $500 you made 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, $2,500. So you lost $1,000, but you made $2,500. So you're still in profit of $1,500. So that's how you do it, guys. Risk to reward ratio, your win rate. So we got 20 guys watching us. I'm still in my buys now. Where are you in your buys? Where are you? SL Bergs, SLBBR, SG. Thank you for following. Thank you for following, my guys, my ladies, my women, my men. Men and women, thank you. Can't be sexist in trading right now because the girls are coming up. The girls are coming up and they're smashing it. Where are you from, bro? I'm from the UK. Where are you from? I'm BYTY. I was looking for sells. I'm not currently trading right now. I'm not going to be trading now. Called out these 3 trades. So this was one sell. There was another sell and another sell, pretty much right next to each other. UK too, bro, but in Australia. Okay. How long you been in Australia for? Are you there on a holiday or have you permanently moved over to Australia? My full TP is at London High and my stop loss is at 29,035.32. 29. So at your stop loss, $29,035.32. Your stop loss is roughly around here somewhere. I'm not quite sure how you're trading or... Wait, yours is different to mine. My stop way higher than that. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Sorry, Joshy boy. Before we go, Joy Gates, thank you very much, Joshy boy. What instrument are you trading? What pair are you trading right now? $11.72 below the bottom. What pair are you trading? Use measurement tool. Yeah, no, that's fine. But what pair are you trading? What instrument are you trading right now? Joy Gits, thank you for the 605 likes. Thank you so much. NQ. Okay, so up here where I've just clicked on price, what is your price on? Is it at US dollar? What price are you looking at? Are you looking at GBP, pounds, or are you looking at US dollar? Because my price on the right hand side is at US dollar right now. Joy Gates, keep liking. Thank you for the likes. Yours at US dollar as well. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? How my price is showing totally different to yours. Yeah, man, we got some banger of a trade today. For CPI news event, even though we were in some horrible chop, fucking, there's some good trades to be taken if you're like intraday trading, scalping type. But if you're full on day trading and just holding for the whole day, market pumping now. Joshy boy saying the market's pumping now. Let's have a look. Is there a reason for that? I reckon there's something at these lows here. Because, but that's exactly what it did here. On the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour candle. Price looked like it was pumping up here. Just created a wick and pushed back down. Prices look like it's pumping again, but this time it has moved up quite a bit. So let's have a look on the 30-minute time frame. Okay. Could just be a retracement. Could just be a retracement. I'm up $1,300 right now. You're a man. You're the man. You're the man, Joshy boy. See that? Joshy boy is at $1,300 profit right now. Please check gold. My Vig 1. What is it with you and the pair gold? My Vig 1 is married to the gold pair. You love that pair, don't you? Look at that. See? I couldn't give you financial advice, but I could give you my technical analysis, which I did, and the technical analysis was like bang on. So your trade now, even if you risk $300 to here, you would have been up $900 already, more than $900. That would have been you, my Vig. It pushed up. You could have caught the trade at this retracement here. You could have caught this trade at this retracement here. But you don't know. It might just start chopping and then pushing back down again. You don't know. Justin, mine, I don't get married to a buyer. So I don't ever say, oh, am I in longs or am I in shorts? Because I'm intraday trading. My trades last from a few minutes to a few hours. Or from a few minutes to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So I never get married to a bias. I just follow market structure. And if I feel like, okay, my trade has come, my setup's come, my game plan, I enter my trade. I just set and forget, laugh my ass off. So you set and forget because you're a day trader then. Full on day trader. Where did you set your trade today and where are you looking to forget your trade today? Yes, sir. Justin knows. Justin, hit the follow button if you ain't already following me. We could catch up. We can have a chat about trading. Valerian Samuela, thank you for following. I got ya. Justin, thank you so much for following. And Justin, also, I was saying, where have you set your? Are you trading today? I'll be right back. Gotta do something. I'll be in the live. Okay, cool. No problem. I'll see how long I'm staying on for. I'm not quite sure how long I'm staying on for at the moment. But right now, because we've got 31 people watching and we've had 1,462 eyes on us, I just want the 31 people to know. DK William, thank you for following. I know there is a lot of brand new traders that are learning, that don't know what they're doing, but we've got many experienced traders here as well. Justin, just got up, to be honest, laugh my ass off. Haha, get ready, freshen up. Don't enter a trade without analyzing the charts. Justin, ready, CIP. Yeah, so the 27-30 of you lot watching right now, I'm going to be having some free content on my website that's going to be uploaded next week. So my website should be up and ready next week. So if you're learning to trade, I'll have all the YouTube videos from ICT, ICT, SMC. 1 second. Justin, laugh my ass off. CPI ready. Yeah. All different market structure, order flow, maybe order flow, I don't know. But we're going to have different styles of trading, and we're going to have different structural training, free training from YouTube, from actual training partners on YouTube. But where you go online to learn, you're unable to learn because you don't know the structure of what to watch first, what's the beginner to advanced kind of trading. And we're going to structure it all so you can just go on my website and you can just watch all the videos for free and learn and take notes and journal. Then after you've learned to trade, that's when I tell people you can join my masterclass, because then that's just to level you up and get you profitable and just start pushing people out there to execute their trades correctly, rather than force trading and blowing accounts, revenge trading, creating setups that are not already there. So yeah, FXX Trader. So thank you for following. So if you haven't already followed, make sure you are following. Get ready for the CPI news. I have confirmed 300 plus pips. Set up link in bio. Go on then, you sell your signals, we don't mind. You guys can sell your signal. Trading is big for everybody. Everybody makes money off trading. Everybody loses money off trading as well. Not everybody can be a trader. Trading is not for everybody, but if it is for you, then you can make money from trading. But there's a lot that comes with it. Now gold buy now. We've already entered the buy. We bought gold. Let's show you. Me and Vij were already holding gold. Look, we've already got it marked out before you even said. And you've told us to buy gold from the high. We already looked at it from the reversal at the bottom. My Vij, you'll tell him. My Vij, tell FXX Trader we had already thought about buying gold from way low down here. We would have took profits by now and left. Justin, I mean, you only lose if you're stupid and do 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Laugh my ass off. If you do, I lose 1-to-2 with a profitable. Yeah, you can. I know many profitable traders at 1-to-1 as well. It's just like I don't like 1-to-1 because you just, I don't know. Sometimes 1-to-1 just feels like gambling and over trading, over leveraging. So yeah, you're right. I like to do 1-to-2 and more. I like 1-3, 1-4, 1-5, 1-6, and just get as much as I can. Someone followed me right now. Who followed me right now? Let's have a look. Who just followed me right now? I didn't get to say thank you. DK William ready, my real account DK William. Thank you DK Williams. Gold buy from DK William and FXX Trader is one man. We already looked for a buy on gold ages ago, DK Williams. This is where we look. Let me just show you. Me and Vidge, we did this live. Vidge was already watching, and I did say to Vidge, if you take an entry, you need to take it from this area here. We had our stop loss almost got tapped into, but we still had a bit of space. Price just pushed up. You told people to buy here, but price is pushing down. So you're telling people to buy from the wrong place, DK William. Now, obviously, because it's retracing, but you were saying buy here at the top. DK William, I'm gonna have to block you if you're gonna carry on doing signals, because we don't sell signals to guys. Come on, guys. DK Williams. Smashing it, man. Smashing it. Go back to MNQ. So yeah, they were my 2 trades today, guys. All right, guys. If you're new to trading and you want to learn how to trade and you don't know what's going on, just drop us a comment in the comment section right now. I can't believe we've had over 1,580 eyes on us. That's amazing. That is actually amazing, guys. New here, only viewer as well. Kurt Chemo 3514. Just join, just subscribe to the channel. You'll enjoy it. We come on live every single day. We love it. You love it as well. Oh my god. Yeah, we got CPI news in the next 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, 40 minutes, sorry. But yeah, I think my trades are done for now. I don't think I'll be trading. But anyway, guys. Manyo 5. Thank you for following us, guys. Look, we've had a brilliant time today. I'm going to shoot off, guys. I'm not trading today. I'll be trading tomorrow. I'll be trading live tomorrow. There's PPI news tomorrow as well. So, guys, make sure. And also, if you're prop firm traders, please do not trade 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after or within that CPI red folder news event, or if there's red folder news events. If you're on personal accounts, make sure you don't blow your personal account. Make sure you use a stop loss. Don't oversize, over leverage. You know how it goes. Trend is king. Don't trade against the trend. Follow the trend. All right, guys. Right now I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll catch up tomorrow and we'll trade again tomorrow. I normally do 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. But who's that? El Real, thank you very much. But because you guys have showed me so much love, like you do every single day, I'll sit on longer with breaks in between. So yeah, you can catch me pretty much every day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. till roughly about now time-ish. So yeah, anyway, guys, love. And catch you later and happy trading.